Hi everyone, myself Gauri Shankar. Today I will show you how to record the scripting through JMeter Firefox browser. Okay, what are the settings you need to before done? I will explain. First of all, you need to add the test plan, and generally you can add the HTTP cookie manager, cache manager, and header manager. After thread group, under thread group you need to add recording, only recording purpose. Recording controller is enough. Otherwise, you need to add the transaction controller also. And you need to add the another one, HDIP test script recorder. Under HDIP test script recorder, you need to set to the as a target controller, test plan, thread group, recording controller. All the events will store to this place, and put each thread group a new transaction controller. I will select everything is separate way. You need to transactions will be created through controller. After you can go to the request filtering. In request filtering, these are the patterns. No need to capture. I am already clicked the add suggested excludes. Okay, these settings will be done. Now port number is 2020. Now you need to go to the Firefox browser. Okay, this is the Firefox browser URL I am already mentioned. Okay, what are the settings you do now? Go to settings, go to options, go to down, go to the settings, select the manual proxy configuration, and provide the IP address 192.168.331.216 and port number is 2020, and select this option. Also use the proxy for FTP and HTTPS or all protocols. Okay, select and click on OK. You can close this one. Okay, now how you need to record it now? Go to the JMeter, start that one. The root CS certificate will become. You click or not, automatically that one will be taken within few seconds only. Okay, after you can go to the directly browser, Firefox browser. Okay, Firefox browser is already open. You need to enter. You can go and check it one time also. Is recording or not? Yeah, it's recording. You can perform your general operation. This is the Jozo. This is the bean. It's login. Go to the click onto the flight. Continue. Continue. Yes, you can continue. Yeah, ticket is booked. Okay. Thanks for booking through webroutes and sign off. This flow is completed. You can stop that one. Okay. Coming to the tool, it stopped already. You can see there is so many requests. Total 3 requests is available. You can see. This is the IP address based. Okay. IP address. This sign off phase is common for everyone starting page. Its only sign off means is a starting page, home page. It's a home page, same IP address. You can see is the login page. This is the dynamic value user session. This is general page. It's the home menu page, search page, flight page, welcome. This is the flight reservation page. Second dynamic value and select the coach unknown, seat type and preferences. This is the first name, last name, the payment details will provide. This is the second dynamic value, remaining details of the pages. The sign off page and how you can close. This is the extra one. You can see the difference. All the request will capture only for application only, but the specific last request will come something detect portal.firefox.com. You can directly remove this one. Okay, these are the requests you need to capture. This is the way you need to capture now without unwanted data. Specific application, what are the transactions you performed, request and response. That details only exactly will capture to the through JMeter. This is the way you need to record the script through Firefox browser. Thank you.